If you're like most homeowners in San Jose, you still have a mortgage on your property. And one of the most common questions I hear is, can I sell my home if I still owe money on it? The simple answer is yes, you can absolutely sell a home with a mortgage. But there are a few important things you need to understand about how the process works. I'm Dennis Loewen with North and Main Homes, and in this video, I'll walk you through what it looks like to sell your San Jose home while you're still making mortgage payments. Let's start with the basics. When you sell a home that has a mortgage, the loan doesn't just disappear. You'll need to pay it off as part of the closing process. Here's how it works. When you accept an offer on your home and the sale closes, the escrow company uses the buyer's funds to pay off your outstanding mortgage balance directly to your lender. The rest of the proceeds, after paying off the loan and covering any selling costs, come to you. So, yes, you can sell, but the key question becomes, how much equity do you have? Equity is the difference between what your home is worth and what you still owe. In San Jose, where home values have appreciated significantly over the years, many homeowners have built up strong equity. That equity is what allows you to walk away with cash in your pocket after paying off the mortgage. Now, what if your equity is low? Maybe you bought recently or refinanced at a higher amount. You can still sell, but your net proceeds will be smaller. In some cases, if the market value of your home is lower than your mortgage balance, that's called being underwater. If you're in that position, selling becomes more complex. You may need to bring money to the table at closing or explore options like a short sale. Another thing to consider is timing. Some homeowners worry they can't sell because they're locked into their mortgage. The truth is, mortgages don't prevent you from selling. The only potential cost to watch for is a prepayment penalty, which some older loans still have. Most modern loans in California don't include these, but it's always worth checking with your lender before you list. Here in San Jose, many sellers choose to sell while still carrying a mortgage because life changes. New jobs, growing families, downsizing, or relocating. It's perfectly normal. The important part is making sure the sale price of your home covers your outstanding loan and your selling costs. That's where proper pricing and strong marketing come into play. A common question I hear is, what if I'm buying another home at the same time? That's very doable. In fact, most sellers are also buyers. The key is coordinating your sale and purchase so that the proceeds from your San Jose home help fund your next move. This often involves contingent offers or bridge strategies, and that's where having a knowledgeable agent guiding you makes the process much smoother. So, to recap, yes, you can sell your San Jose home with a mortgage. At closing, your loan gets paid off directly from the sale proceeds, and any remaining equity is yours. The main things to keep in mind are your equity position, potential prepayment penalties, and the coordination of your next move. If you're curious about how much equity you have or what your net proceeds might look like after selling, I'd be glad to help you run the numbers. I'm Dennis Loewen with North and Main Homes. Reach out for more information and let's talk about what selling your home with a mortgage would mean for you.